Hello, everybody. My name's Dr. Kim Blake. I'm from the UK, as you can hear from my accent, but I live in Canada at the moment. I've been in Canada now for, oh my goodness, 27 years, but I've been very much involved with CHARGE syndrome for over 35 years, which unfortunately ages me now. I'm involved in lots of the clinical aspects. I'm a general pediatrician, so I'm not a geneticist. I'm not an expert in one area. So it's given me a really wonderful platform to be able to, I think, dip into lots of the clinical aspects of CHARGE syndrome. And those of you that know me know that I've really gone through pretty well the whole body, because CHARGE syndrome, as everybody knows, is complicated, it's diverse, it's different, everybody's different, but there's a lot of similarities. So one thing I'm quite passionate about after my 35 years is research. I'm always hoping to encourage more research. I do some research myself on small amounts of dollars, and we get a lot done in my very small, what I would call a virtual lab. My office is very small, but my virtual lab is wherever I am. The cranial nerves in CHARGE syndrome, I feel, are very important. I've always pushed for this to be one of the most critical areas that is included in any mnemonic or any criteria for have I got CHARGE syndrome clinically. And I hope at the end of this presentation, what you will get from me is that you will get a feeling of a knowledge of the cranial nerves and certainly a more in-depth knowledge of what we call the vagus nerve, which is cranial nerve 10. I've got quite research has been heading recently, but as you will see as I go along, I'll put in some of my research papers, and hopefully I will enlighten you and you'll have more questions for me. So I thank you for the opportunity for me to present, and now we're going to look at the cranial nerves in CHARGE syndrome.